Hello, my name is Emana and I'm a second-year computer science student. In this video, I'll explain my project on fake news detection using deep learning, a system that automatically identifies whether a news article is real or fake based on its content. The goal is to reduce misinformation online by using artificial intelligence, specifically a deep learning model called Albert, which I implemented in Python. Today, fake news spread faster than real news. It can influence public opinion, manipulate elections, and even endanger lives, as seen during the COVID-19 pandemic. The challenge is that fake news often look very real. Manual fact-checking is slow and limited. So, we need an automated system that can analyze large volumes of articles in real time. This project is based on a research paper published at the 2025 International Conference on Next Generation Communication and Information Processing, where several models were tested for fake news detection. As for data and pre-processing, I use datasets containing both real and fake news articles. That is, I used one dataset for fake news and one for real news. In my code, I load the data using Python and label the fake news articles as 1 and the real ones as 0. Then I combine the title and text into one field called content. This gives the model more information to learn from. Finally, I clean the data by removing missing values and split it into a training set and a test set. The paper that I used, Real-Time Detection of Fake News Articles Using Deep Learning Techniques, provides 4 deep learning methods which can be used for fake news detection: Albert, LSTM, CNN plus RNN, and FFnet. This paper compares all the modules, and among all of them, Albert achieved 100% accuracy on multiple datasets, making it the best performer in the study. And as we can see from the pictures and the confusion matrices, Albert gave the best results. I used Albert, short for a light bird, for its great understanding in language patterns, which is critical for detecting deception in text. In my project, I used the Transformers library to load Albert and tokenize the content. This means converting words into numbers that the model can understand. Then I fine-tune Albert on my training data so it can learn to distinguish between fake and real news. My code follows a simple structure. First step is data preparation, which is loading, labeling, combining, and cleaning the news articles. Second step, tokenization, using Albert's tokenizer to process the text into vectors. Third step, training, fine-tuning Albert using Hugging Face's trainer class. Fourth step is evaluation, that is, testing the model's accuracy on news articles. The great thing is that once the model is trained, it can predict news articles instantly. This kind of model can be used in many areas. For example, as a browser extension to warn users about suspicious articles, or inside social media platforms to flag false news before it spreads, or even integrated into fact-checking tools used by journalists. And because Albert is lightweight, it can work efficiently even on smaller devices or limited cloud resources. In summary, this project shows how deep learning, especially transformer models like Albert, can be used to detect fake news with high accuracy. I followed these methods and insight from a published research paper, and I implemented them in Python using real data. Thank you for watching, and I hope I gave you a clear insight of the idea of my project.